Hi friends, today we are going to make a quick fire rava idli. So I'll tell you what are the ingredients. So basically a roasted rava and then cup of curd, then little jeera, haldi powder, then chopped carrot, coriander leaves, ginger and green mirchi. We also have pepper powder. So we have taken 2 cups of rava and then we are going to mix that first with curd. 1 glass of curd, mix it well. And 1 glass of water. The reason for mixing with curd is to have the fermentation. So add hing, pepper powder, and bit of haldi, not too much. And then few jeeras. Now you add these vegetables which we have cut already. Basically ginger, coriander, green chili, and then carrot. So we need to add the salt which is required for this. And ensure that it is mixed very well. It should not be too much watery. It should be like how the batter thickness is there normally when we make it for idli. That is the kind of a thing. And we are going to just soak this for 30 minutes. Okay, so that the rava will get perfectly mixed with the curd and water and other ingredients. Team, it's 30 minutes, so just we have removed the batter and kept it in these idli plates. You can keep 1 cashew nut. Just keep it like this and then keep this entire stuff in the cooker and keep it for about 15 minutes. Depends upon the number of idlis you are keeping, you can vary the time. And please ensure that you don't put this whistle cap in the cooker. Okay, let's wait for this for the next 15 minutes. Team, you can see here the rava idlis have come very well. It gives little time to cool it up. After that we will remove it from the plate. Team, you can see the soft idlis. Rava idlis have come out very well. You can just open one and see how soft it is. Wow, you can see so soft it is. Okay, please try the same. Friends, we are going to do the frying of this rava idli. So you already seen the rava idli. So just make little oil, put it in the kadai or cooker, whichever you are comfortable with. Put some hing, then mustard seeds and jeera. And once this gets fried, put this curry leaves. And then put this rava idli pieces which we have taken and cut. and you can mix either with the something of a spoon, or you can just mix it like this. And put little mirchi powder. And little salt. We have already added enough salt in the idli. This is just to get a little more flavor when we are frying. And mix this gently and keep it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it like this. Hi friends, you can see here finally the fried rava idli is ready. You can see this is really a good flavor, mix of color, and the very important thing is that it just took 40 minutes to get this completed. So this can be made as an urgent, immediate crash tiffin or crash breakfast, or some visitor comes, you can do that. So let's try now. This is for you and this is for me. Very soft, very yummy, a nice flavor. Feeling to finish this plate soon. Okay, I'll proceed with that. You guys make it at home and share your feedback. See you soon.